Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Suhail Ahmed and today I am going to describe how to connect routers with two different networks. In the last video, we learned about how to connect switch with two different PCs in the same network. If you don't see the video, click on the card button or you may have link in the description. But still, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you get notification of every new video. So come to the point. Today we want to connect to different network with the help of routers. So click on the end devices and then you can choose PC or laptop. I choose two PCs. So here you see laptop 0 and laptop 1. You can change the name from here. Click on the laptop 0 and change as you want. The first laptop is SLS and the second laptop name is home. So now we connect these two laptops with the help of router. It means the SLS laptop is belong to another network and the home laptop is belong to different network. So click on the network devices. Now click on the router. Here you can see router, switches, hub. The first video is belong to switch, so we click here. Now I need router, so click on the router and select the router. And now connect this laptop with routers. Click on the connection cable. Click on the copper crossover wire and then click here fast internet 0. Then click gigabyte Ethernet 000. Similarly, click and then laptop 1 fast internet 0 and gigabyte 001. So here you can see the signal is red. It means the laptop is not yet connected with routers. So click on the router, click desktop, click IP configuration 192.168.1.2. Okay, when you press the enter or click anywhere, subnet mask is assigned automatically. Cross this and then click on the second laptop, click desktop, IP configuration, and now because we want to connect to different network, so that's why the net ID will be different from the previous IP address. 192.168. The previous IP address is 1.2. If you change only the host bit like 3, like 4 and so on, so it means the second laptop is also belong to the same network. This IP address is belong to class C IP address. The first 24 bit is belong to net ID and the last 8 bit is belong to host ID. So we write here 2. And this is also 3 or 2 anything else. Class. We also write here the IP addresses. So we will remember that 1.2. Similarly here 192.168.2.3. Okay. So now the signal is still red. It means this laptop is not connected with the router. Click on the router. Then config and then gigabyte Ethernet 000. Now we want to connect the SLS laptop with router. So connection is on. Click here. Now you can see that the red signal turned into green signal. It means the SLS laptop is connect with the router. Okay. So here you should write 192.168.1.1. Here you can see that the laptop SLS IP address is 192.168.1.2. But we write here .1 because this network IP address is start from 1. So it means this router is connected with SLS laptop networks. Close this and similarly again click here and now gigabyte Ethernet 001. Again click here and the red signal turn into green signal. Okay, now right here 192.168. Here you can see that .2.3, and if you write here .2.1, the starting address, click enter or click anywhere else, the subnet mask is assigned automatically. Now you can see that the router is connected successfully with the two different networks. Click on the video message, click laptop SLS to laptop home. Click on the simulation and then click on play button. What? So here you can see that the message is not successfully sent. So it means something wrong with this scenario. Actually, laptop SLS and laptop home still don't know about the router. So click on the laptop, click IP configuration. So right here the IP address that are allowed on the router on the gigabit Ethernet 000 type. 192.168.1.1. Okay. So cross this and then also click here IP configuration and then 192.168.2.1. So now click on the simulation. So now click on the play button. The message is sent from SLS to router and then sent to router to home. Similarly, from home to router and then send from router to SLS. Okay, the message is successfully sent. You can see it here. Hope you understand how to connect router with two different networks. Kindly like the video and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon so you get notification of every new video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.